Dishwashers help marriages function. There's boxes here too, so thumbs up for boxes because I'm trying not to eat gluten this week because I do think I'm a little bit intolerant to it. Alright, I'm about to head to Lidl. So, you know, they'll probably give me like $5. Good morning, guys. I hope that you are having a great day. It's Friday for me right now. I have no idea when this video is gonna go up, but I just felt like filming because I haven't really filmed like a day in my life in a while. So welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle and we are in the middle of moving in a couple of weeks. So things are kind of crazy right now. I'll show you what our breakfast area looks like. Wow. Really, there's no words. I have no comment. And then there's boxes here too, so thumbs up for boxes. Still, we have a ton of stuff to do. So Friday is my day off. I work at a preschool Monday and Wednesday, and then I nanny on Tuesday and Thursday in the afternoon. So like those mornings I work on content too. But today I've been doing like some housework, and right now I'm gonna make myself a smoothie and then go put some clothes in the dryer, start a new load of laundry, and then edit a video that I want to go up today. I'm meeting a friend for coffee this afternoon, so there's a lot going on. The other thing I forgot to mention is that our dishwasher hasn't been working for like a week, and I feel like that has been causing some tension because it's like, well, I made dinner and I da 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 da, so you have to. Dishwashers help marriages function. I'm gonna make my signature smoothie for you guys. So I use a Ninja. One second, it doesn't seem like I have any bananas. Okay, so Austin forgot to buy bananas that I asked for last night when he went to the grocery store, so I am gonna have to run to Lidl really fast and either get some bananas or something because I'm trying not to eat gluten this week because I do think I'm a little bit intolerant to it. I'm about to head to Lidl to pick up some bananas, and I might run a couple other errands while I'm out, and when I come back I want to like vacuum out my car really quick and empty my trash because it's literally disgusting. My car sounds so bad when I turn. Okay, so I just left Lidl, I got the bananas I need, and now I'm at the gas station. Alrighty, I just got to Plato's closet. I'm gonna drop some clothes off. I have a gigantic bin, so you know, they'll probably give me like $5, but it's fine. I just need to get rid of them. Okay guys, so I got bananas. What a relief. Okay, so strawberries, banana, almond butter, almond milk. Then I put some spinach in, and I always like cut off the ends of it because it's, I don't know, it just kind of weirds me out. It's like a weird texture. So I just shove it in here. Guys, this smoothie is so good. I'll put them somewhere else. I've been trying to get my keyboard to work and it does not work, so hence the battery daddy. Okay, I am about to do some work. I desperately need to edit today's video. I am behind on that and I really just want to knock it out. I love this backpack because, guys, it literally has so many freaking compartments and it is amazing. So I'm pretty sad that my keyboard stopped working, but that's okay. My next video that I'm working on right now on YouTube, or for YouTube, is a girl talk series about, okay, sorry, I had to turn the fan on, and also I was looking like super washed out on this camera, so sorry if you can hear my fan in the background. But anyways, my next video is going to be a girl talk video comparing home birth and going to a birthing center, because that's what my best friend Emmeline did. So yeah, I'm super excited for you guys to watch that video. I think it has a lot of really good information for new moms, second time moms, fifth time moms, anyone who is just like curious about both experiences and maybe has been wanting to try out either one of them. So yeah, I have always been so intrigued by her story and I'm really excited for you guys to hear it. So right now I am going to get up my video. Let's see. I don't know if blue light glasses really work. I doubt they do. Sometimes they help me, sometimes they give me a headache, but I'm gonna try to wear them today just because I'm not trying to give myself a headache. So it usually takes a hot minute to open. I really need a new computer, but I'm like fighting the urge because I know it'll be so expensive, and I've had this computer for probably like 4 years, and I mean, it works really well.
You're pretty much doing like full body workout, hard workout.
Hello, I've been editing for like an hour and a half and I'm super tired. I'm about to pack up all my stuff right now and go meet my friend at the coffee shop, and I'm going to pick up my clothes from Plato's closet. Alright, I am all packed up and I am about to go meet my friend at a coffee shop, but first I am going to pick up my clothes from Plato's closet. Alright, so I just got to the coffee shop to meet my friend. I'm super excited to hang out with her and finish up editing my video. I still need to edit like 20 more minutes of it, but I haven't been to this coffee shop in a couple of years, and they have like this amazing like iced almost like milkshake drink, and it's so good. So I'm really excited. Late. Okay guys, so I just got back home after being gone for what literally feels like 14 hours, but it was like 4 hours, and so Austin and I are gonna go on a date, so I'm gonna pick out an outfit really quick. I'm not gonna dress up too fancy, and I'm supposed to start my period next week, so I'm just feeling like tired and sluggish, and like I'm having random chills because that's what happens close to my period. But anyways, so pick out an outfit with me. Okay, so I'm trying to be fun, so I'm thinking these camo pants and my white crop top and this cute little cardigan from H&M. So I'm gonna put it all together. Okay guys, so this is what I decided to wear, how it like ended up looking together. Please ignore my room, it looks disgusting. But yeah, I haven't worn these pants in a really long time. But I keep them because I just feel like they look cute with stuff sometimes. So why? So where are we going?
Bad Daddy?
Yeah, we're going to like this cute little like burger place. I haven't actually been to the one in Raleigh. Charlotte, I've only been to the one in Raleigh, but I really like it. I haven't been there in quite a while, but
I've never been. Maybe we did go once in Raleigh.
we did. With Emma, I think.
Okay, well, I've never been to this one either.
Oh, I look pale. Okay, ready to go for date night. Love you. Okay, we'll be back. Bye. Okay, guys, so we just got back from... Oops. Okay, guys, so we just got back from... What is with the lighting? Okay, guys, so we just got back from going out to dinner, and then we stopped by Marshall's, and my toxic trait is like buying stuff and not washing it right away. Please don't at me, but anyways, look at these comfy pajamas. I don't know if you could really tell in this lighting, but I've been on the hunt for something like these for quite some time, and they're literally so soft. So yeah, they're super cute and like loose, not too tight. I got a medium because I hate feeling like I'm like suffocating in my pajamas. But anyways, I really like them. Okay, well, I just laid on the couch. No, I still haven't folded up the clothes that I washed this morning. Whatever, I'll do it tomorrow, I guess, or later tonight. I am about to turn on Netflix and we'll watch a little something and then go to bed. What time is it?
9:30 show.
Okay, yes, I'm already ready for bed at 9:30. So we love that for me. Slay! Teamwork makes the dream work. Holla! I think that's the best we've ever done that.
That's pretty good.
Careful, because the zipper likes to try to rip. Okay guys, so I already did my skincare. I'll show you what I do really fast, and then I'm gonna brush my teeth. I have to put my camera so low because I'm literally resting it on my lamp, which is embarrassing. So I use Andalou cleansing foam first, and then tonight I did overnight exfoliating treatment from Good Molecules, and then I did toner from Good Molecules, and then I also have discoloration correcting serum drops. But I'm almost out, so I need to buy some more, so I didn't do that tonight. I always use Hello toothpaste. I love this brand. It tastes so good and fresh in my mouth. There's other brands that I've tried that are similar that are just, I don't like them. So my night routine basically has been turn on a heating pad because for some reason that helps me fall asleep and stay asleep, and to turn the fan on at the same time because you're like hot and cold. I don't know. So anyway, got my fan. I'm gonna turn it on.
If I didn't have to go to bed, I'd be reading.
Then I get my heating pad out and I turn it on the third highest setting because I'm not trying to burn my skin, and then I lay it out on my bed underneath my comforter because it's so comfy, and yeah, I love it. Well, good night guys. Thanks so much for watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!